Tired of waiting for your Beam Wallet funds to reach your bank account? Feeling frustrated with the withdrawal process? You're not alone. In this video, we'll break down the simple steps to withdraw your money from your Beam Wallet account quickly and easily. So, let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have a verified Beam Wallet account. If not, you'll need to complete the verification process before you can withdraw any funds. This usually involves submitting some basic identification documents. Once your account is verified, locate the Withdraw button or tab within your Beam Wallet. This is typically found in the main menu or within the Transactions section. Click on Withdraw and you'll be presented with a few options. Choose your preferred withdrawal method. This could include bank transfer, mobile money transfer, or other available options. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Double-check the amount to ensure accuracy. Select your preferred bank account or mobile money wallet. Ensure you've linked the correct account for a smooth transaction. Review the withdrawal details. Carefully review the withdrawal summary, including the amount, recipient details, and any applicable fees. Additional tips. Here are some important things to keep in mind. Withdrawal limits. There may be daily or weekly withdrawal limits set by Beam Wallet. Processing times. Withdrawal processing times can vary depending on the chosen method and your bank's processing speed. Fees. Be aware of any associated withdrawal fees. These fees may vary depending on the withdrawal method. Once you've confirmed all the details, submit your withdrawal request. You will typically receive a confirmation message or email. And that's it. You've successfully initiated your Beam Wallet withdrawal. Now, sit back and relax while you wait for the funds to arrive in your designated account. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.